still pronouncing this word as Wednesday? You're not alone. Let's bust the 5 biggest pronunciation myths that most Indian learners believe, and fix them in seconds. Watch till the end, you might be surprised by myth number 3. Myth number 1, you need a foreign accent to sound fluent. Wrong. You don't need an American or British accent. You just need to speak clearly and confidently. You should speak in a way that a native speaker of English would easily understand you. So, focus on clarity, not copying any accent. Myth number 2, native speakers say every word clearly. Not really. Native speakers often join words when speaking fast. For example, they say want as wanna. Similarly, did you as did ya, was did jeet. So, train your ears to catch connected speech, not textbook English. Myth number 3, reading more will improve pronunciation. Reading is great, but it won't teach you how words sound. Many Indian learners just go by the spelling of the word and pronounce it wrongly. It is actually pronounced Wednesday. Instead of reading book, listen more, repeat, and speak out loud. So, learn pronunciation with your ears, not just your eyes. Myth number 4, English words sound like how they are written. Nope. English spelling and sound don't always match. For example, this word is pronounced kernel. In the word debt, the B is silent. So, trust your listening, not the letters. Myth number 5, you must learn IPA symbols to speak well. Not true. IPA is International Phonetic Alphabet. Of course, it is helpful, but not necessary for everyday learners. Watch BBC or CNN English news, watch English movies, series, etc. Learn to speak like we learn songs, by listening and repeating. So always remember, pronunciation isn't about sounding foreign, it's about being clear and confident. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't have to say every word slowly. You can sound natural by listening, practicing, and speaking every day. Break the myths. Speak your English. Own your voice. Want more real, everyday English fluency tips, with personal guidance? Click Join to unlock exclusive lessons and instructor support. All for a nominal, pocket-friendly fee. Learn smart. Speak smart. Fluency starts here.